What if you could eat bacon and cookies for breakfast and still get the body you've always wanted? I know it probably sounds too good to be true, but that's actually what I had for breakfast this morning. And I'll explain how you can do it too in just a second. Hi, I'm Kelsey Ale, certified nutritional therapist and paleo baker. I'm in my kitchen right now to tell you about a really cool deal we have going on. We just got our brand new Keto Sweets cookbooks in stock. It's full of incredible, fat-burning Ketofied recipes like white chocolate raspberry cheesecake, pecan butter swirl brownies, and my personal favorite, classic vanilla creme brulee. Each recipe contains no sugar, gluten, processed grains, or soy. They're Paleo approved, and almost all of them can be made dairy-free or vegetarian-friendly. Best of all, each one has less than 10 grams of net carbs, so you can stay in ketosis no matter what. You can go onto Amazon and buy Keto Sweets right now for $27 plus shipping. We sell it on our website every day for $19 including shipping. Over 200,000 people happily paid that price for my cookbooks. But right now, we're actually going to give away this cookbook for free because it's brand new and we're that confident in the product. And because we don't want you to have any excuse not to be able to get the body you deserve while eating the foods you love. The only catch is our publisher has only let me set aside 500 cookbooks that I can give away for free. Once these 500 are gone, I genuinely don't know if I'll ever be able to do this again because unfortunately, it's not up to me. The first time I released a cookbook, it sold out of stock in 3 days, and we didn't get any more back in stock for 3 weeks. So I just want to make sure you can get your copy for free while it's still available. Just keep watching to learn more about this unique cookbook and its benefits, or click below to grab your copy now. At this point, you may or may not have heard about the keto diet. It's the most popular diet in the world right now, and there's a reason for it. It works. Once you get your body into ketosis, the fat just starts flying off for most people. But there's one big issue with it. The keto diet makes you cut out sugar, which can be nearly impossible for almost everyone. And it means your cravings get bad. That's the most common thing people tell me when they switch to keto. I love how much fat I'm burning. I love the delicious foods like bacon and butter, but sometimes my sugar cravings get so bad I feel like I could eat the fridge. Believe me, I know what it's like to have sugar cravings. I realize it may not look like it right now, but I was a sugar addict. And I don't say that lightly. I'm not talking about having a bit of a sweet tooth. I used to eat hot chocolate powder straight out of the packet. I used to eat stale donuts at my dad's work, as long as no one was watching me. And my 2 best friends, their names were Ben and Jerry. Specifically, Americone Dream. Now, I really don't want to show you this photo of me because it's embarrassing, but I want you to understand how different I looked and felt before I cracked the code to making healthy desserts. That's me just a few short years ago when I was eating healthy. I was completely addicted to sugar even after working at a health food store. I became a vegetarian. I ate vegan treats. I even ate the so-called healthy desserts from the fancy overpriced store. And that's one of the biggest issues. The foods labeled as healthy are rarely healthy. That's why I put together this cookbook full of mouth-watering desserts that won't add inches to your waistline or throw your body out of ketosis. Each recipe has less than 10 grams of net carbs and uses only healthy, natural ingredients. After countless painstaking hours in the kitchen, I feel like I've successfully ketofied all your favorite desserts. And best of all, I discarded all of the complicated recipes and just left the ones that I know anyone could easily make at home. So, if a craving strikes, you can make something delicious right away. That way, you'll never have an excuse to eat unhealthy desserts or sweets ever again. I want you to grab your free copy of Keto Sweets before they're all gone. All you have to do is cover a small shipping and handling fee. Just click the button at the bottom of this page and we'll get it out to you right away.